morning. Sagita wasn't kidding. It is cold out here. Joined with Dr. Joshua Charles, chiropractor. Okay, these were in hand yesterday for a lot of people. Now, what's really important to know, there's going to be a lot of people today doing this.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what you should do to ensure that you don't do this.
Well, first thing to know, if you do have back pain after shoveling from yesterday or 2 days ago, you want to use ice on the back, not heat. Put ice on right away for about 10 minutes at a time, because if people put on heat right away, it could actually cause more pain and inflammation.
Could it? Okay.
Yeah.
So, and how long are you doing the icing for?
So just 10 minutes at a time, 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off, 10 minutes back on.
For one day?
Well, you want to do it for the first 2 or 3 days after an injury.
Obviously, I need to do it. That's why I'm asking the questions. Okay, so let's talk about the proper way to hold or push snow.
Yeah, absolutely. So I really like this type of shovel. This is an ergonomic shovel. And the key is you really want to push the snow instead of lifting and twisting. Lifting and twisting repetitively is actually the worst thing you do for your lower back. So basically, you want to stand like this, and you want to push the snow to the side. Okay? And you want to do that instead of lifting, bending, and twisting like that. The twisting is no good.
So doing that's bad news.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Now, if you do have to physically lift some heavy snow, what you want to do is you lift it, keep your back straight. Instead of throwing it, you move your body to the side, using your legs, and dump it off to the side.
Pivot.
Perfect.
Bend your knees and lift with ease, right?
That's it. Lift with ease.
I learned that one when I was little. Okay.
Okay, good.
Some other important things. You shouldn't take on more than you can handle, right? Should you take some breaks? Or?
Absolutely. You want to warm up first. So basically, you want to do about 10 or 15 minute warm up, light stretch for the back, the neck, and the shoulders.
Can you show some examples? Like, what are some good things to do?
Well, I even think jumping jacks is good, or brisk walk. Get your heart rate up. That makes your muscles more elastic, raises your core temperature. Okay. And then you want to take breaks. About every 20 minutes, take about a 5-minute break. You don't want to be shoveling for 2 to 3 hours consecutively right away, because you're probably going to hurt yourself, your back, your neck, or your shoulder. So you want to take frequent breaks for sure.
Should you stretch after you're done shoveling?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah? You want to stretch for about 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after. Absolutely.
10 minutes after?
Yeah.
What if you're late for work? Because a lot of people shovel before work, right? And they want to get things done. What is a shortcut, or is there any shortcut?
There's really no shortcut. It's really important to warm up first, stretch before, and stretch after. It's really going to help prevent prevent low back pain for sure.
See, we're looking at some visuals of what it looked like yesterday, which was, and again, a lot of people are going to be very sore today. Is it possible to have some severe injuries from just shoveling?
Absolutely. It's really common. There's muscle pain, there's ligament strain, and there's also even a disc injury. So if you do have back pain that lasts more than 1 or 2 days, you want to make sure you go to your chiropractor. They're the experts at dealing with low back pain. They can help to diagnose your pain and provide treatment for you. Okay, let's show the shovels again, because I want to talk to people about getting ergonomic shovels. So these are good examples, these two? Yeah, you know, they're lightweight, and they're this provides you an ability to push the snow. The old heavy shovels with metal blade, they're too heavy. It's not the best. If you do have a metal blade, you could spray it with some Teflon so the snow doesn't stick. But ideally, something that's bent like this is properly designed. So this might be a better choice than that one. Because this is a straight, obviously a straight shovel. And do you want one that's wider too, because so it pushes more snow? I mean, I obviously don't do that much shoveling, but some people use a garden shovel, like a spade. That's too small. It's not the best for your back, and it's probably too heavy. So you want to make sure you have a wide blade, ergonomic design, something that you can do to push the snow across. How tall should it be? Basically, there's only one standard. Sure, but I use the kid ones sometimes. Okay, so yeah, about mid-chest level is pretty good. Okay, good. Good. Anything else that we're missing? No, I think we're good. You want to do the warm-up. Basically, you also want to look at the weather forecast. You know, if it's going to snow heavily, you want to get out there early and attack it. You don't want to have a big accumulation. There could literally be hundreds of pounds of snow that accumulate after a few days. So get out there every day and move smaller amounts of snow at once would be a good idea. Because if it does build, that becomes ice as well, and you've got some trouble a little bit later on. You've got to chip away at it. So you want to make sure you get out there early. Don't let it accumulate, get too heavy. Okay, so get out early, stretch, bend your knees, lift with ease, no twisting of the spine. No twisting. And then stretch it out when you're done. Absolutely. There you go. Joshua Charles, a chiropractor.